boys and girls. How are you today? I'm excited because I got a song that somebody requested. Not just one, but many of you requested. So I'm listening, and today I'm going to do this song with you. But first, you got to hear what we need. Well, we need a bowl. And you know what we're going to put in this bowl? We are going to put some letters in this bowl. I'm kind of giving you a clue. Do you know what song we're going to do? Did anybody say the ABC song? 2 thumbs up. That's the song I'm talking about. We're going to do our ABCs. And so what I did is I wrote out a recipe, something that we can follow and we can put in our alphabet soup. What do you think about that? So it says here on my recipe that we need 5 leaves. So I went in my backyard and I collected many different kinds of leaves. But when I was collecting them, I started to notice something. Not all leaves are the same. No, they weren't. There were leaves that were very small. And look at how green this leaf is. But watch this. When I flip it over on the other side, it's purple. Can you believe that? It's purple on the other side. I was quite surprised myself, to be honest with you. And then I went hunting for some more. I was hunting around and looking. Oh, I found another one. But this leaf looked different. This leaf had kind of some brownish here, greenish in the middle. I thought that would be perfect for my soup. So that's number 2. Then I went over to the garden side, and you won't believe what I saw. I saw this little tiny leaf, and it was very, very fuzzy. You know this leaf is called a lamb's ear, and you know why they call it that? Because it is. It's very soft and fuzzy. So that's 3 leaves. I still need 2 more. Oh, this leaf was very, very long. And so I thought this would be perfect for my soup. Look how long this leaf is. It's so long. I thought, will it fit in my bowl? That's a problem. I thought, what could I do? Do you have any ideas what we could do if it doesn't fit in my bowl? I know, did you say cut it? I do have some scissors. I think I'll cut it into a little bit smaller pieces. That's a great idea. So I have my scissors. I'm going to give it a few snips. Now it fits right in to my bowl. And then we have one more leaf that we're going to put in. I noticed that this leaf was very large. Look at how large this leaf is. Quite large indeed. But you know what? This one fits better in my bowl, so I'm going to put it right in there. So we have our 5 leaves. My recipe also tells me I need 2 twigs. So again, I went out my backyard. I got 1 twig, and I got 2 twigs. And it also says that I need a flower. So I have so many different kinds of flowers, but I wanted something kind of fluffy. I wanted something kind of pink. And I found a hydrangea. And guess what? Here it is. It's a big flower, isn't it? Kind of floppy too. I really like it. So I'm going to throw the whole thing in my soup. Wait, do you think I should break it up? Let's do that. I'm going to break it up so it's a little bit smaller. Little smaller pieces. Okay, I did it. Now, it also says that I need some pebbles. Where could I get some pebbles? Then I remembered when I went on a little walk, I saw these little tiny pebbles right in my driveway. So I went out there and I found 1. Look at how tiny they are. Look at, pebbles are very small. So I put 1. Here's another one. 2. And, do you see this one? 3. So I have my leaves, my pebbles, my twigs, my flower, but it says all the ABCs. I think that means the whole alphabet. Well, that's going to take some work, isn't it? So I thought maybe you could get your pen and your pencils and maybe write out the ABCs and you can stick them in your soup. Boy, would that be delicious. Well, would you help me so that we can put all these letters in my soup and then we're going to sing about it? Would you help me do that? So here we have A, B, C, D, E, Say it with me. F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P. Hey, we're doing good. Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. We have all the letters of the alphabet. Now, it says that we're supposed to mix it. So guess what I brought today? I brought my spatula and look who's happy! So happy to make some soup with you. Indeed, we're both very happy about this alphabet soup. And we're going to sing about it too. So I'm going to stir it up. And then I want you to put all those ABCs. Let's put them all in there. Swallow them and we're going to sing them out. Are you ready? Let me stir it first. Oh boy, does this soup look delicious. Oh, I got to see if you can see it. Let me see if you can. Can you see my soup? I made that myself. And you guys helped me by helping me to count out and helping me to put all the letters in there. I can't thank you enough. Now, I'm going to dish a little bit out for Teddy because Teddy wants a taste and wants to eat it. And I'm sure that you might also have an animal or something a little lovey that you might want to feed your delicious soup to one of your little friends. And I'm going to put it right down here. We'll cool it. It might be a little hot, Teddy, so you got to wait for a little bit, okay? But we're going to sing next. So let's sing and let's do our ABC song. And you help me out there. Will you do that? I've got my cue cord and I am ready to sing. And you know what I always say? Let's do it. All right, here we go. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, and T, U, V, W, X, and Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Oh, next time won't you sing with me? Uh-oh. Guess what I forgot? Ooh, I forgot to put, it says on my recipe, it says I'm supposed to put some words in my soup. I forgot about that. Good thing I just remembered because I can still add them to my soup, can't I? I can do that. Even if I made a mistake, I can still go back and think about what am I going to do to make it so I'm happy with what I created. And I can still add my words to my soup. So I have some words. Would you like to see my words? I'm going to put a little bit of love in my soup. L-O-V-E. I'm going to put some love in there. But I have more words. I'm going to put my name, Mrs. Widin. But when you do your soup, will you spell out your name and put your name in your soup? I have the word Mrs. Widin. I'm going to stick that in my soup too. But I have more. I also am going to put hugs. Oh, I'm going to put some lovely little hugs in there. I'm a big hugger, so I'm going to put some hugs in my soup. And, of course, I want a little bit of kindness too. So I'm going to stick Kindness. I'm going to put some kindness in there. And I think I'll put a few blessings. And I think I'll put some thankfulness. in my soup. And then we have to remix it, of course. I'm going to mix it up. There it goes. Does it look good? And you know who's happy? Oh, the spatula's happy. I'm happy too. All right. So now that it's done again, let's sing it one more time. Shall we? Help me. Here we go, nice and loud. I want to hear you. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, O, Q, R, S, and T, U, V, W, X, and Y, and Z. Oh, now I know my ABCs. Oh, next time won't you sing with me? I hope you had a great time with me today making some alphabet soup. But you're going to have to get busy because you are going to have to get your pencil out and you got to make your letters. And it could be any letters. Just throw them into your soup. And you can put any words. Could put mom or dad. You know, some of those easy words. Stick them right in that soup. And you can even make up your own recipe. What are you going to put in your soup? What do you think would taste really good that the bears would like? Or maybe another little stuffed lovey that you have that would like a little bite of your soup. So think about that. So until next time, we'll see you later and have a great day. Bye.